low. And the goal of this assignment is to apply data reduction on our data set. As in the tutorials, the SACs already given, the SACs code and library is used to reduce the features and dimensionality of the data set. But as we have only one feature, which is the price of the stock, and we don't want to reduce that one, so we thought about to reduce the amount of data instead of reducing the features. So there are a lot of packages out there for reducing data, but one of the simplest one we can use which is using the pandas resampling. With the resampling, we can apply the mean value of the given range, and it perfectly works on the data time series. So in this case, we are loading our data set. Batch CSV is the price of the stock price we already downloaded, so we can see that it is we can see this is the time in Unix format, and closing, opening, and all the prices during the day is already downloaded. So after reading the data, we just convert the column T, which is the time in the data set, with the parameter unit equal to S, which is converting Unix to human readable date time. And after that, we're saying that the column T should be our index. So we use the time series features of the pandas. After that, we just convert, resample, in fact, each our data to the weeks, for example, based on the weeks, or based on the months, or based on the quarter or yearly, so to see the differences. And we plot these data, first the data itself in blue color, and quarterly in green color, and yearly in red color to see. So if we run the code, we can see how the data is reduced. We are using the mean function for each resampling. So here we can see the blue is the daily one. All the data is already there, and when we using quarterly, it just calculates the mean between each quarter, and yellow is, red is yearly, so it calculates the mean value of the each year. So if we zoom on the data set, so we can here see that from the mean value from this area until this area is calculated. So let me go back, and we can see the calculation of the, for example, yearly is from 2000 January to 4000 January. It increases from this value around 30 to 34. So this area, in fact, if we zoom that, we can see that this area, the average of this area is this value. So the whole value of through the year, the average value will be this. And if we bar chart it, the bar chart will be something like this. It will goes from here to here. So the bar chart will be something in between. So in this way, in fact, we are reducing the number of data to uh, make the data set small. Yeah, I guess the main thing is that it will reduce the size and speed up the calculations. But as we reduce the data and use more average, we can see that the accuracy of data reduces more and more. So for example, the quarterly is 3 months. We can see the accuracy is almost close to the daily. If we zoom that, we can see it follows almost the trend of the daily, but in yearly it somehow goes off from the prices. So it depends on our accuracy is required. We can use these data reduction. Thank you very much.